What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I'm doing yet another swatch review for you. Today we are looking at the China Glaze winter collection, which is inspired by the Grinch movie. I honestly thought when I first saw them, I thought it was inspired by the one with Jim Carrey, like How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I was super excited about it because I love that movie and I actually watched it while I was swatching these polishes, but I just found out like literally 10 minutes ago maybe that there is a Grinch movie that's coming out or just came out. I'm not sure. It's like an animated movie, but probably not gonna watch that. But the polishes are super cute, so let me show them to you. But before I get started, super quick, I just wanted to let you guys know China Glaze, and I thought this was a fluke, but I asked them and they told me on Instagram they changed their brushes, so now they have the wide flat brushes, which as you guys know I'm super excited about. So that's what they've got for this collection, and hopefully from now on that's what they're going to be using, and they were so much easier to work with, so super excited about that. Keep it in mind. Now let me show you the swatches. So as usual, I am putting base coat underneath all of my swatches. This is the Couture one. I will link it in the description below. So first up we have Grinchworthy, which is a full coverage green glitter nail polish. It's got like this lime green sort of base, and then it has, I think, a golden kind of shimmer in it. And then it has just all sorts of metallic shades of green micro hex glitters in it. So on the first coat, it was a little bit sheer. I feel like you could probably layer this, but on the second coat, it was fully opaque on its own. This one's definitely my favorite in the collection. I think it's so beautiful and I think it's so festive. I definitely want to do some Christmas tree nail art with this because I just think that color has so much depth and it's just really beautiful. I totally love it. So yeah, it actually kind of reminds me of, if anybody remembers China Glaze but of Corpse, I feel like it's kind of similar to that, even though it's totally not. Does anybody else feel that way? Next up we have Deliciously Wicked, which is a pearlized icy blue polish that has, I want to say, holographic hex glitters in it, but they didn't really show that holographic to me. Maybe it was like mostly silver glitters, a little bit of hollow. This one is full coverage. On the first coat it was a little bit sheer. On the second coat it did give me full coverage, but I honestly feel like this one was kind of a miss for me just because it had that sort of shimmery pearlized finish. I feel like glitter Krelly polishes like this tend to do a lot better when they don't have a shimmery base color, like a pearly base color. I kind of wish that this was like a cream with glitter in it, you know what I mean? Next up we have You're a Mean One, and you guys know me, I'm obviously in love with this polish too because it's a purple and I love purple. It's kind of like a really warm toned purple that has a really intense red / pink shimmer in it, and it's just so stunning. It reminds me a lot of OPI Feel the Chemistry, but this one does not have that really weird smell that for some reason OPI Feel the Chemistry has. So super excited about this one. Again, a little tiny bit sheer on the first coat, but on the second coat it did give me full coverage, and I really just like the formula and I love that reddish shimmer coming through. It just gave it a really nice beautiful depth. Next up we have Resting Grinch Face, and this is a multicolored glitter topper. It has red, it has green, it has blue, and it has yellow, so kind of just all those primary colors, and then green, and it has like some bigger glitters and some smaller glitters. You can sponge this on for full coverage, but I just wanted to see what it looked like as a topper. I think it's pretty cute for like a little accent nail, but I don't think I would wear this as a full manicure because I don't know, it's just a little simple for me. Next up we have Who Wonder, which is a really gorgeous warm tone pink that has a beautiful cool tone pink shimmer in it, and I think that's really unique. It actually reminds me, I feel like when I reviewed that Zoya winter collection, it had a similar sort of fuchsia like this, and I was not understanding why that was in a winter collection, and I feel like this kind of is the same for me, but this one feels so much more modern and so much less 80s, so I really loved it. I also absolutely love the formula, and I love there's like little tiny micro glitters peeking through, so I think this color is just absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I want to use this for holiday nail art too because it's just so pretty. Next up we've got Ho Ho No. This is a beautiful cherry red polish that has a really nice golden shimmer running through it. I just feel like this is a really nice elegant shade to have for winter. This could definitely also work in the summer, but it's just giving me some major Christmas vibes and I think it's super cute. On the first coat I pretty much got full coverage, but I wanted to have more depth with those golden little micro glitters in there, so I did throw on a second coat. This has a really beautiful formula, but this is definitely going to be one of those polishes that you need a nice thick gel-like top coat over it because I think those little glitters are going to get pretty bumpy. Next up we have Merry Whatever, which is a beautiful, oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous champagne metallic shade shade, and it actually has some larger glitters in it that are like have a little bit of a hollow sheen to them, so you can kind of see that peeking through, or it looks like a little bit bluish. But yeah, so it's kind of like a mix between like champagne and a silver and just like a tiny bit of hollow in it. And I just love all the different little sizes of glitters in this. I feel like it just makes it super unique and different, and it's just, oh my gosh, perfect for New Year's, am I right? And last but not least, we have Lukewarm Wishes, which is a transforming top coat. I really love this one. I did it over the China Glaze Black, which I think is called Liquid Leather. I will link it down below. But yeah, once you put it over black or any dark color, it transforms into this really beautiful blue with like some green shimmer in it. It's just a really nice, gorgeous, wintry topper. I totally love it. All right, so that's it for the swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Honestly, totally in love with them. I think China Glaze always does an amazing job, especially fall winter shades. I feel like that's where China Glaze really shines. They do such a good job with different finishes and stuff, and these polishes I'm just really in love with. So that's it. Obviously these polishes are sold anywhere China Glaze is sold. They are probably a limited edition, and they come with like little special limited edition bottles that have the Grinch on them. So if you want any, I suggest picking them up ASAP because they'll probably be gone soon. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments what you think of this new Grinch movie, because I'm curious if people are actually gonna watch it. It kind of just looks like a little fluff movie. Like the Grinch to me is supposed to be like super scary and stuff, but I don't know. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Fun fact, okay, so I last week posted a video of like some fall nail art ideas, and I did it like compilation style where I just showed you guys a bunch of ideas with some music, and you guys did not like the format of that video. I got a ton of comments from you guys who were super upset and thought that you would never see me again and you would never hear my voice again. That's totally not happening. I was like not expecting that reaction at all because I love compilation videos, so I just wanted to try one, and I thought it would be a really good thing, like A, to just show you guys nail art ideas that are too easy to like dedicate an entire like 5-minute video to, and also sometimes when I get home from work I'm like super tired and I just do not have the energy to do a voiceover. So I don't know, I just felt like it was like a really good idea, and then a lot of people were like really angry about it, and they were like, I miss your voice, I miss your face, I'm very upset. And I was just like, that's not the intended reaction. So I thought it was really cool. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. Maybe I'll do another one for December and see what you guys think of it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.